Okay guys, this is a 2023 GMC Yukon Denali Ultimate Edition with the Dura Max Diesel motor. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Rebuilt title, damage was here, suspension, fender, a little bumper, a little bit on the rear, but most of it was here. As you can see, everything looks as if it should. Long version, power running boards, ultimate, upgraded Bose sound system, $34,286 on the miles. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane assist, heads-up display, 360 camera, downhill descent, all your four-wheel drive, the tow package, all your different options here. Heated cooled seats, wireless charging, backup camera, all your different camera views, two keys, it's your big old panoramic sunroof. It's got your TV screens in the back. This is massage seats. I think only comes in the Ultimate. And then the upgraded sound system. You can see that massage seat working. Power running boards. Rear heated seats. The pictures, this bumper was kind of pulled off, had a little damage on it. It does have the tow package underneath here. There's your floor mats. Reclining. Has all your cup holders, has power outlets. Nice Denali Ultimate here, guys. LED headlights. check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.